Today we are going to learn how to perform quick ticket actions in HappyFox. When you log into HappyFox and begin working on tickets, you'll notice a number of initial ticket properties that are displayed, like the status of the ticket, who it's assigned to, the priority level, the category of the ticket, and the due date. Any one of these properties can be changed manually. I can select a new status, assign the ticket to another agent, change the priority level, switch the category, and select a new due date. These are called quick ticket actions. The icon here, called More Actions, allows you to perform the same actions under a single drop-down menu as well. When clicking into the ticket details page, I can perform the same quick actions. And when I'm replying to a ticket or adding a private note, the same quick actions can be performed on the email or the private notes.